Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Sam.
And I'm Lauren.
And today we're going to be showing you guys some ways to earn some money, especially when you're young, teenagers like us. So,
Alright, let's start. So the first idea we have is babysitting and just like animal sitting. Sometimes like when your neighbor goes out of town, like they need you to watch their dog, or like just like their cat or anything, you just go over there and like my neighbors have done this a lot lately because they've been going on like little trips here and there. So I'll just go over there, let the dogs out a few times a day and just feed them. And yeah, and it's super easy. Like it's like the easiest job you could get probably, and like they pay really well. So like, and for babysitting and animal sitting, your mom could post something or you could post something on a social media and be like, and like tell everyone that you're interested in dog sitting or babysitting, and then maybe someone will be looking for something and think of you.
yeah.
So yeah, that's how I kind of got my name out there. I'd always be like, Mom, please post this, because for our ward, we had like a ward page from our church. So my mom posted it on there that I was interested in babysitting, and then yeah, I just like got lots of babysitting jobs, and now I'm like I work with my neighbor, and I like work with her 3 times a day, and because she has 9 kids under the age of 9. So I just help her out, and it's really fun. So
Yeah, it pays pretty well too,
Yeah.
depending on who you babysit for.
yeah.
The next way is you can like start your own business. So you can like sell food. Like if you like to make food, you can make it and then you can go and sell it. You can also like if you have a cherry tree in your yard or a peach tree or whatever.
Yeah, we did that.
Yeah, you can sell. We sold cherries. We put like a bunch of cherries. We washed the cherries after we picked them, and then we put them in bags, and we sold 2 different sizes of bags for like $3 and $5. I think.
One time we each got like $60.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
So if you have like a peach tree or a cherry tree or whatever in your yard, you can just put it out there on your social media and say, hey guys, I'm selling cherries. Anybody want to buy any? And then if you get any orders, pick them. Like super easy.
Or even
Make
like
some money.
carrots that you have in your garden.
Yeah, just like anything you want to sell.
That's kind of like
Yeah.
weird, but it's fine.
Yeah, and whatever people want to buy,
Yeah.
you know. So.
And sell it for cheaper. Like for our cherries can be really expensive at the store. So we sold it for like $3 for like a little, like not a little bag, like a quart size bag. And like we got so much customers. So
yeah, lots
That's
of people wanted to buy some cherries. Sorry guys, I'm sick right now, so I just got a little cold. But that's why my voice sounds weird. But yeah, so the next you can also with that you can I have some friends who have started like a page on Instagram where they sell necklaces and stuff and like other jewelry that they make. So that's pretty cool. And I also have a friend, she crochets, and so she makes like tops, like she crochets tops and sells them. They're really cute. And so that's a really good way to make money because you're home making stuff, so it's also like more expensive. That's why you can raise the prices, and people will probably want to buy your product, especially if it's like people you know. They're going to want to buy something from you. So
to support you.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing we have is just like mowing your lawn. Not mowing your lawn. Well, you could mow your lawn, but
yeah, if your parents
like
okay.
your neighbor's lawns, or you could just, especially if you're a guy, this is a really good job for you. Like my brother, he actually mows lawns for like a bunch of our neighbors, and he gets paid really well. So yeah, he mows lawns. You could also do yard work, like pull weeds or anything like that. And you could also post that on a social media. Like pretty much any of these you could post on a social media, and people will like reach out to you. So yeah, you can mow lawns or do yard work, or you could even just like help your neighbors around their house. Like you could like clean up a room for them or clean their bathroom for them or something.
Just kind of like be a nanny for them if they need anything.
Yeah, and then also like for your parents, you could be like, Mom, if I organize this drawer, could I get paid some money? And maybe you're like, my mom used to do that when I was younger, and I couldn't earn any money because we're like 5. But
yeah. But yeah, like even like sometimes if you ask your mom like, what if I mow the front lawn for $5 and the back lawn for $5 or
then
whatever?
That's $10.
Yeah, and you just made $10 for what, like 20 minutes of work, whatever,
Yeah.
depending on your lawn size. But that's a pretty good way. Another way is like I started an Instagram page because I wanted to I cleaned out my closet and stuff, and I got rid of clothes I knew I wasn't gonna wear or were too big or too small for me. So I cleaned out my closet, and then the clothes I didn't want, I started like posting them. And so I have an Instagram page. where I'm just selling my clothes, so people can DM me if they want anything. That's also a really good way to do that. You can just, that way you're cleaning and you're getting rid of stuff you don't need, and you're making money. Boom. Super easy for that one. You can just sell your clothes that you don't want. And like also with that, you can do like yard sales. So if your family like cleans out your house or whatever, or you find stuff that you don't need, or clothes or toys or whatever that you don't want, you can just like have a family or a friend yard sale or whatever. Yeah, but I think it'd be really fun to do like a friend yard sale if all of your friends brought something to one of your guys' houses, and you each like had a section that was a bunch of your stuff, and then whoever buys it, like if it's theirs or whatever, they get the money. So you can just, you know, that'd be super fun, and then you're not like the only person running the yard sale. So that's another super fun way to like make money and clean out your house.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so the last idea, well, the second to last idea that we have is starting YouTube. Like, obviously, we started YouTube, but, like, a bonus of YouTube is that you can earn money from it if you get lots of, like, views and whatever.
Yeah, and you're having fun, so.
Yeah, like, this is really fun, like, actually, but, like, it obviously will take a long time if you did, and you have to, like, be on top of, like, what is it called?
You just have to be on a schedule so your viewers and like your followers don't
and like the top hits, or I forgot what that's called, like.
But yeah, you just need to like post.
You
need to post a lot, so you're like, you need to stay active on your account. That's what I was trying to say.
So YouTube could be a really good idea for some people, and also you could just the last idea that we had is you could just search to apply for a job just around like at Wendy's or Zeppi's, or we even have Lagoon that's not too far away from us. And they hire 14-year-olds, which we both just turned 14. So yeah, you could do that, but it's usually hard like for people to find jobs.
Because they're
until
obviously
like we're 15 or something.
Yeah, they're obviously gonna take the older, more mature ones that actually can like drive and stuff. So they're probably gonna take them. But yeah, if I were you, you might as well try and get a job. There's no harm done in just trying. So yeah, just look up like jobs for 14-year-olds, and if that doesn't work, you have all those other options to do.
And then also, what was I forgot what I was gonna say. Well, and like I think Lagoon is the only place that will hire 14-year-olds like around here, except for like. Actually, no. Yeah, I think it's just Lagoon. So that's like one job that we could even do, which it's still pretty far away from us to drive there and back, and our mom. So that was kind of like an option. That was like a no for my family because my mom didn't want to drive me. But
yeah.
All right, so that's all the ideas that we had. I hope it helped you guys, and I hope that you will use them.
Yeah, and you can get a job. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments or requests for other videos.